After taking the time to sit down and make a cut list, I rough cut all my pieces with the track saw and started ripping and cross cutting everything on the table saw. I installed the dado stack in my saw to cut a series of dados in the sides to accept the shelves. After drilling some pocket holes in the top to help attach the cleat for the back, I pre-drilled the sides for screws. For the assembly, I'm using glue and 2-inch drywall screws countersunk into the sides. Then I glued and nailed the back on with some brads. I then attached the cleat to the back of the cabinet using glue and screws. I cut the dividers out of some 1/4-inch hardboard that I had laying around the shop. I used 3/4-inch plywood for the box and 1/4-inch hardboard for the bottom. I made a simple drawer out of a cutoff piece and put a slight 7-degree angle on the bottom. After cutting the pull to length, I marked the location of it on the front of the drawer front so I could attach the drawer front with brad nails and then later drill holes to mount the pull from the backside. For the pull, I used some scrap alder I had lying around the shop and 3 screws from the backside to hold it on. After giving everything a light sanding, I put a couple of coats of Wi-Fi poly on the drawer front. So I hope you guys enjoyed the project this week. This was a collaboration between me and Brad at FixThisBuildThat.com. If you'd like a set of plans to build this for yourself, you can check out the link in the description down below. He's got a lot of cool plans on his website for you guys to also check out. If you haven't already noticed, we've moved the release date to Saturday. The Monday schedule just wasn't working out very well. I tried to get a week ahead of schedule. That way these projects should be a little easier for me to get out every week for you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love for you to do so. As I just mentioned, we try to put out a new project every week. You can also follow me on all the social media networks. I post quite frequently on Instagram. And of course, you can check out our website at LaneBrothersWoodshop.com. I guess that's pretty much it for this week, guys. I appreciate it. And until next time, happy trails. Thanks for watching.